Hi choice friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video we are going to be cooking okra Ugba pepper soup. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to list down all the ingredients I use in preparing the soup. As you can see, I've placed my empty pots on the hob. I'm going to go in with my pepper soup spice I blended, and I add more water to the soup. So I'm going to cover it to boil. I'm going to be adding my chopped onions. Next, I'll add my boiled meat. Now I'm going to cover the pot to simmer for 5 minutes before I proceed to the next ingredient. Next, we are going to be adding the crab. I just want to say thank you all for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. That is the most important thing. Turn on your notification bell if you like what I'm doing on this channel. Also, we will be adding our Ugba. Now add our ogiri. You can call it dawa dawa. So you can see I'm using my spatula to make it to melt it up. Now I'm adding the okra head. Okra head draw is more slimmer than the okra itself, so I blend the okra head and add it first to cook because it's more stronger. So here I just add my Maggi. So you can see I haven't added the okra itself, just the okra head I blended. You see how the soup is slimy already. So I add in a bit of oil. So friends, after adding the oil, we are going to add our prawns. We're just adding everything step by step because we can't add everything together. You understand? So that's why I'm putting everything step by step. If it's your first time watching how to make African food, we don't add everything together. So now I'm going in with my bitter leaf. We call it bitter leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice. You can use spinach, you can use ugu leaf, you can use green leaf, you can use whatever leaf you want to use. This option. So I'm combining the leaf and the soup together. We are almost there. Keep watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. So after that, I'm going to be adding my steamed fish. And try to incorporate the fish inside the soup. I know before the soup will be ready, the fish will also break into pieces, which I don't mind because it will add more flavor to the soup. So I just went in with my last Maggi cube and salt. Combine together so that the salt and the Maggi cube will settle well in the soup. I've added the last ingredient to the soup, which is my diced okra. So I'm going to spread it like so and then cover it to simmer for 1 minute, and our soup is ready. You can see how beautiful the soup is looking. Wow. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share the video. You say, oh, her page is not growing because you are not sharing. If you don't share, people will not see. Please share the video, and most of all, put your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to be notified. It's very important. So guys, the soup is all ready to be demolished. Thank you so much. Bye.